in this Scotiabank tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to open up a Scotia iTrade account here on the Scotiabank app. So once the Scotiabank app is opened up on the main screen here on the Home tab, go to where it says Investments and then press on Start Investing. Then at the top here, it's going to show you guys the Discover page of the investing plans. So there's featured plans, products. Under products right here, featured products, you can see the TFSA, the First Home Savings Account. You can see the RRSP. You can also scroll down and see a bunch of different options right here. But if you go to the top to where you see plans right here, you can see plans, or you can go ahead and do products as well. So we're going to go ahead and do direct investing just like this. Once you hear, it'll be like why Scotia iTrade. Pretty simple. You can go, scroll a bunch of different options right here. See the terms and conditions, and if you want to open an account, choose the right account for you. You can simply go ahead and press on Get Started. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you're on the Scotia iTrade account. So if you want to go ahead and open an account, you can press Start Application right here. You can also just scroll down and see registered accounts, non-registered accounts, so whatever accounts you want to open up. You can also, if you want to, need some help, whatever the case may be. But simply go ahead, press Start Application right here. Then you can proceed with the steps that follow. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to open up a Scotia iTrade account here on the Scotiabank application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.